Do you need to create videos for your projects and instructional contents, but you're overwhelmed by its cinema-level complexity? Well, I'll make it easy for you, so stick around because this video is for you. I'll be creating series tailored for teachers and students who want to elevate the instructional contents. We're going to explore practical techniques that can turn your smartphone into a powerful tool for creating engaging videos for your projects and instructional needs. So first things first, let's unpack the essentials. I call it the Mobile Videography Kit. So let's talk about the 3 things about it: the video capturing device, the audio capturing device, and the stabilizer. These are the tools that will elevate your class projects and instructional videos to a whole new level. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What are the challenges that you face when you are creating educational videos? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit like and follow because in our upcoming videos, I'll be talking more about your Mobile Videography Kit. So get ready to transform your tech needs in style with your Tech Savvy Mo Arte. See ya!